So this is the worksheet that we're going to be practicing some of our color mixing on. And for this color mixing practice, our focus is going to be mainly on hue, shade, and tint. I'm going to be talking about the difference between this. We're going to start with the first one, which is hue, and that's not written so very clearly, so I'm going to write that out a little bit bigger for you here. Hue, right, H-U-E, and hue can most simply be described as the pure color. And, you know, there are ways to get more technical into that, but for our purposes, this definition is going to suffice. We're going to start by mixing some colors for the outer ring of our color wheel. We have here labeled where our primary colors would go, and as we remember, red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. We also have our secondary colors, and those are going to be our purple, green, and orange. And then in here, this little box in here, we want to have our tertiary colors, our red yellows, our blue greens, those colors. And those are just the outer edge. Okay? So those are where those colors are going to be going. Our next row, we're going to be talking about the shade. And I'll write that again bigger as well for you. S-H-A-D-E. And that is color plus black. So we're going to see what happens when we add the color to some black, and we'll talk about that in the next video. And then of course we have our tint, and I'll write that again bigger for you, T-I-N-T. And tint in art, we're talking about a color with white plus white. That's my dog hacking up a hairball, I think, in the background. Okay, so color plus white. So, for example, pink is red that's had white added to it to make pink. Pink is actually a tint of red. So, you'll see as we fill this in together how that works.